In this video, we're going to be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet using Robinhood. So first things first, if you don't currently have a Phantom Wallet, you simply need to set that up. So if you're on mobile, you can simply download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. But if you're on PC, you can also download an extension from their official website. Then simply follow the prompts to set it up. So once your Phantom Wallet is ready, we can then move on to buying Bitcoin on Robinhood. So you simply have to go to the Robinhood app or their website. And from there, you simply have to search for Bitcoin and choose to buy it. Then finally, you also have to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase, then complete the transaction. So now, since Phantom Wallet is mainly known for supporting Solana, it's also got you covered with Bitcoin too. So what you need to do is simply navigate to the top left corner, and from here, you should then be able to see your Bitcoin address. So simply copy it and head over to Robinhood. So once you're on Robinhood, you then have to initiate a withdrawal or choose to send your Bitcoin. Then you'll then be taken to the next page where you then need to enter your recipient's address and the amount of Bitcoin you actually want to send. So in the recipient's address field, you simply have to enter the Bitcoin address that we just copied from Phantom Wallet. Then enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send and review everything and confirm the transaction. So it may take a few minutes for the Bitcoin to show up in your Phantom Wallet, but make sure to be patient and don't worry if it doesn't appear immediately. It's just the blockchain working its magic. But once the transfer is complete, you will then be able to see your Bitcoin in your Phantom Wallet. So that's how to buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet using Robinhood. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.